What's up, everyone? This is Brian, Sparky's Model Salvage. Today, we are at Expo Center, Quad Cities car show. Obviously, January. It's cold over here, so all indoors. Yeah, go in here and see some cars. So, they do this, I believe, every year. Yeah, just watch the video, okay? Just watch it. was a very small show, like 50 cars. So, yeah, what do you expect? It's January. You know, it's like 20 degrees out right now. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm going to try and keep doing something throughout the summer. Since I'm working a lot, I'm not really building too much, so I'm going to do a lot of car shows. And some of the car shows in the summer, like, you can't see all the cars. Like, talking, like, some of the shows I go to are around 1,000 or so cars, and yeah, a lot of filming going on there. Yeah, so stay tuned to the channel and just keep watching me. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, please go subscribe. Or if you like more videos like this, go watch this playlist. Or you can go check out one of these other videos over here. Yeah, thank you.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?